So now I just arrived at the market.
You said something. Oh, shit.
Lonesome town where the broken heart you can buy a dream or two.
So on the market I see Jamaican flags, which means it's Jamaican cuisines there. I guess there's a lot. Let's check how is the market looks and everything. You okay, brother?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Good, man. Do you mind to be on my channel?
Huh?
Do you mind to be on my YouTube channel? Is it okay?
Sure, no problem.
It's okay. Where are you from?
We're from Manchester. You came from Manchester.
Manchester.
Yeah.
But I see, is it Jamaican flag?
Oh yeah, like originally we're from Senegal, but we sell Afro-Caribbean food. So it's
Okay.
a mix of Caribbean food and African food.
And
West
African food.
yeah.
Okay. Which one would you recommend me to try here?
If it's your first time,
Yeah.
I suggest you take the jerk chicken box. It comes with some jerk chicken, tail fries, plantain, dumplings, coleslaw, and some mixed veg.
Okay, can you give me one of those? Let me test.
No problem.
So you guys, I just want to test the food. Okay, two of them. She also wants to test. Yeah. So this is it, guys. Just want to try. In Whitehaven, England. I want to buy also.
Oh, you want to buy also?
Yes.
No problem. Have a try if you like it.
I like it already. Let me buy.
No, if you want, you can have the jerk chicken box. It comes with everything like sweet potato, dumplings, plantain, etc.
No, me, I just want the meat. I'm a meat man.
Oh, you
Yes.
just want the meat?
Yes, give us the
You
meat.
can have the small box for £12 and the large box for £16.
Give me the one for £12.
No
Okay.
problem.
So guys, we're in Whitehaven. We just bought the food. We want to try the food from all the way from Jamaica. So this is it. We just find a place where to sit so that we can eat our food. This is the view. So yeah, catch you when you finish, guys. So now I'm exploring the market in Whitehaven. You right, brother? Is this Tunisian food?
Sorry?
Is it from Tunisia?
Tunisia is a Moroccan.
Oh, Morocco, sorry. Morocco. Okay, it's from Morocco. Okay, that's nice. Nice to meet you guys. Okay. So the market is packed, guys, with a lot of stuff. Here we have sweets.
I don't know if you see that's in the TV.
Oh, there you go. Thank you. Try both. Try it. See if you like, then we'll buy you some.
Salt and pepper. A lot is happening here, guys. Another African flag here. Alright guys, I just meet my homeboy here from Zim. He's doing artwork, as you can see, guys. Brilliant artwork. So you can check him in Whitehaven. In Whitehaven, as you can see, we have a market here full of people. You can come and check him. I know you guys are around here. You can just come and check and support him as well. So brother, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, how is business here?
Business is up and down.
Up and down.
We keep on trying. We have our own challenges and stuff, and we overcome.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
I'm happy to see you as well, and I like your business as well.
Okay.
So I'm just going to put it out there and show it to some of my audience.
Okay.
And they will definitely come and support you.
All right, thank you.
Yes, I like it. Okay, I'll see you around.
Yes,
again.
thank you. And if they want to order something,
Okay.
my page is called
Okay, yeah.
Village.
Okay, here's his page here, guys.
A Wrong Time Village. You
Wrong-
can follow me.
On Facebook as well.
Yeah, Facebook. Follow,
Here's the
support.
details. Support. Here's the numbers.
Yeah.
If you want to order and sell wherever you are, you can come and see him, guys.
I can
Support
post,
him.
yeah.
Thank you.
so much.
Okay, bye.
Not one.
You can find me on travel.com20.
Travel.com, yeah?
Yes,
20.
Maposa.
Maposa.
Yes, thank you, brother.
I respect.
Okay, bye.
Hey,
All right, bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you, sir. All right. So let's continue, guys, as we go down exploring the market in Whitehaven. So just look at the background here. So here we have a lot of confectionery foods, and behind we have the boats, as you can see. How nice it is. Look at the view. The view behind. A lot of seats. So yeah, guys, let's go down. We have another salted pepper here. Here we have Box Bar. This is the bar just next to the market, guys. How nice it is. You say? Oh. So this is Whitehaven for you guys. I hope you like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section.
Have a good day, young man. All right, mate.
You alright?
Are you okay?
Yes.
Good lad.
Keep rocking about.
Good, good. How is business?
Very good on the Harbour this week. Absolutely excellent.
Excellent. That's nice.
Do you want a coffee?
Okay,
I've
so
got
thank you.
lovely customers.
Yes, that's fishing. For fishing, okay, okay. Do you do it often or just for pleasure?
I do pleasure.
Pleasure. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, nice to meet
recording
you.
for?
It's a YouTube.
What's your YouTube?
It's called travel.com 20.
Travel.com 20.
Yes, yes.
I'll
Do you,
subscribe.
do you live around here?
Yeah, I live up
Up there?
there. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, how is the place here?
Kells you.
It's good?
It's good, yeah.
Okay.
What's it called?
Travel.com
Travel.com
20.
20. What's your camera?
This one is,
Is it
Is it video?
videography or is it photo?
yeah, it's for video.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You like it?
Yeah, very nice, isn't it?
Do you like fishing?
Yeah, yeah, it's good, yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Davey.
Yep. Okay, nice to meet
It's
you.
you.
Yes, that's me. Thank you.
Frags.
So yeah, that's all. Okay. So let's pay for ice creams.
YouTube.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
That's the best ice cream on YouTube.
Oh, this one is the best one.
The best in the West.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right. So they say this is the best ice cream on YouTube. So let's try it, guys. Okay, let me stop. Really, Whitehaven is a big town.